Hello people, Kev-In-Thailand here. After showing you the Dongtan Beach refurbishments, I thought I'd show you how they're getting on with the Pattaya Beach Road. And they have made it quite amazing. It is probably 3 times wider, I'm not sure. We'll come back when the tide's in a bit, but I've never known it this long, this wide. So here we are. We're at the turning. We're by the Holiday Inn. So we're right at the beginning beach road coming down from Dolphin Roundabout. And here's the beach. That's wide, and going right down and around. Not so many paragliders out today. Normally in the morning I come down around 10:15. There's got to be 100 of them out there. They say September is the quietest month, and I think they're right. I really do. Let's find out how much the sunbeds are. If we can find anyone. Let's have a look. He's smoking. Let's have a, while we're finding out how much, let's have a quick look, see if they've still got the smoking signs up. Well, they're still up in Pattaya, but it looks like it's gone up a little bit in Pattaya. So, back to Kev. Yeah, 100,000 baht for waste and smoking. Wonder if he can read the signs. Some beds seating for the day is 100 baht, the same as in Jom Tiem, Dongtan Beach. You've got the food sellers coming round. You get drinks, cold drinks. A lot of the seating sellers, deck chair sellers, wherever they are, will have big ice buckets with drinks in. But they've certainly widened it. They were trying to stop the speedboats picking up from the beach in the morning, the Chinese to Koh Lan and the islands. I think it was in May or June, but I can assure you it's not worked. They're trying to make them pick them up from Ballyhoat Pier, and fines and all sorts. Everyone takes no notice here. Whatever laws, whatever fight, everything, no one takes any notice. So, and then they moan when they get fined. It's quite amazing, really. People still taking out the jet skis. I think most of the custom now are Indians. They have a new clientele for the jet skis. Here's a load just coming off the boat. The speedboat come back. They are talking, Koh Larn in the distance there, the island. They are talking to restrict the amount of people going out there, going to the island, and introducing a charge at the pier at the island to enter. Whether that's going to come about, I think PP Island out on the southern Thailand have introduced this. It's part of a clean-up. Tourists wrecking the island. The island. I'm not sure if they'll enforce it, the Koh Larn, but they definitely are talking about it. And that is really what needs to be stopped. If you're on the beach, when you leave it, if you see any plastic bottles, pick them up, dispose of them in the bins off the beach. I know it's not your job. Why should you have to do it? It's because nobody's doing it, and that's where the marine life, and it's just falling apart. Yeah. Yeah. So here's where they continue. They are going right the way around, right through the beach. So let's go and see what they're using. I'll see you further down there. All along here, along Beach Road, are these. And all you've got to do, it's not difficult. Why are people just discarding and leaving it? To me, people, I just don't understand. You buy it in a bag, take it away in a bag. Save 100,000 baht maybe. They put these green, I don't know what they are, cheating things along. Stop people getting on the beach, yeah. There you go. They're calling it Pattaya Beach Nourishment. I've no idea where they get that beautiful blue water from, but that's how it's going to look when they put the dye in when it's finished. We'll get a bit further along, see if we can have a quick look in. So they've gone from the greenery, they've put this all the way along. Stop people going on the beach here. Hold on. I'm probably trespassing now. And this is where they're working now, all the way along. some huge machines. They're doing large sections at a time. There's a couple more large diggers down there. They're going to do a nice job, they really are. Hopefully it'll all be finished for the high season. They're opening sections as they move along. But they certainly are making it better. Looking much more desirable to get in the water. So I just thought I'd carry on from the Dongtan beach, Jom Tien, and show you what they're doing to the beaches in Pattaya. And they are doing a good job. They're doing it nice. Fines maybe a little bit exorbitant, but worth it. Worth it. They can double that as far as I'm concerned. If people want to come here and leave their crap, it's pretty much outrageous. It really is. And please, if you're on the beach, if you have a day out, you see any plastic, when you leave the beach, pick it up. There's bins just off the beach all the way along, and still they're leaving it and just walking away. Marine life being destroyed, beaches, the sea, everything, because people can't be bothered. Anyway, sorry about the ending, bit of a rant. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, a like and a share. If you absolutely hated it, I don't care. What can I say? Well, I can't care about everything. Care more about the beach and the sea life. So give it a thumbs up, a like and a share. Subscribe, you don't have to, but it would be nice. We'll show you more and more as we're going along. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Oh, it's still free to subscribe, just to let you know. And for a double, it's still free to ring the bell for notifications. How bad? Kev-In-Thailand, giving it away.
And the dreams that you dream of, dreams really do come true.